Hello future doctors, welcome back to my channel. Let us study hepatitis from class 12 chapter 8 health and diseases today. So let us discuss about this disease that is called as hepatitis. You may have heard about jaundice in class 11th in the chapter digestion and absorption. So jaundice is basically a disease that is characterized by discoloration of the soft tissues of the body or the white parts of the body, right? And that is basically because of the higher bilirubin concentration in the blood. Coming to a more serious and pathogenic condition, we have hepatitis. So hepatitis, the term comes from two separate words. Hepar is the medical term that is used for liver, and itis is the term that is used basically for inflammation. And inflammation basically means swelling, pain, redness, some kind of discharge. All these things together they are called as inflammation, right? So hepatitis is basically inflammation of the liver, and there can be many underlying reasons. It can be a viral pathogen or variety of viral pathogens. It can be because of high use of certain kind of drugs, or it can be because of alcohol abuse. The disease is basically characterized by high to very high fever, chills, malaise, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, because it is associated digestive glands. It will affect the digestive system of the body. Also, when the digestive system is affected, loss of appetite, that is anorexia, is one of the most common symptoms that is seen, right? Coming to the clinical types of hepatitis, so there are 5 clinical types of hepatitis, starting with hepatitis A. Hepatitis A is also called as infectious hepatitis, caused by hepatitis A virus. Here I have written HAV. It has a single-stranded RNA genome, the virus. It has single-stranded RNA genome necessarily with unenveloped capsid. It is transmitted by fecal-oral route, right? The virus from the feces or excretory waste of infected person somehow directly and indirectly travels to the food of a person, healthy person, and he eats it and gets, diseased. This can also be fomite-borne. Fomite means the person who is not well, suffering from hepatitis A, touches some object, healthy person touches the same object, and this is how it is transmitted. It usually lasts for 4 to 6 weeks. Coming to hepatitis B, which is very, very important. This is also called as serohepatitis, caused by hepatitis B virus. About this thing is very, very important. So this is a 42 nanometer virus. Virus that essentially has double-stranded DNA as its genetic material with enveloped capsid, right? It is sexually transmitted, and it is also transmitted through blood contact. There is a vaccination that can be taken by people in order to preventing hepatitis B, that is Recombivax. Recombivax is a second generation vaccine, right? And this is about types of vaccine with some other lecture. Now, a very dangerous thing about hepatitis B is that it can be in a person's body for weeks, for months, and for years altogether, and it can turn into liver cirrhosis as well as in liver cancer. So this is a tricky disease right here. Coming to hepatitis C, it is called as non-A and non-B hepatitis, caused by hepatitis C virus. Again, single-stranded RNA caused by sexual transmission or through blood transfusions, right? Coming to hepatitis D, now this is one fatality rate is higher, so this is one deadly disease. It is called as delta hepatitis, caused by hepatitis D virus. Single-stranded RNA, as you know. Now, two important points about this is a person that is already suffering from hepatitis B will have hepatitis D. So, condition with hepatitis B is that the person has to be co-infected with hepatitis B. And the fatality or the death rate by hepatitis B is very high. Coming to the last one, that is hepatitis E. It is called as infectious non-A, non-B hepatitis caused by hepatitis E virus. Again, single-stranded RNA transmitted by fecal-oral route through foam. Right? Now, the main thing about this is you have to remember hepatitis B, because as an exception, this consists of a double-stranded DNA molecule as its genome. Others, they just have a single-stranded RNA molecule. This is sexually transmitted, right? And we have a second generation vaccine for hepatitis B. Thank you so much.